One great way to make your assignments more resistant to ChatGPT is to maximize the modern and the current aspects of the assignment. So that means that you incorporate modern sources, current sources, anything beyond 2021, the end of 2021, because of the limitation within ChatGPT. The other parts to that are to do things like having things that are local so that the AI might not have access to that type of information, as well as to have that be as personal as possible, meaning that students have to incorporate their own experiences or some sort of personal aspect for the assignment. Additional things that can be done are to incorporate more hands-on learning, hands-on assessments, such as they have to present something in class, or they have to be able to answer questions like a Q&A after a presentation, or even students creating videos. That way they have to know the information in order to present it. Additionally, you could use videos or images that ChatGPT can't look at, can't realize right now. So now the student would have to use critical thinking in order to understand the image or the video and then answer questions. The other big part of this is also to maximize motivation, making sure that the student understands the relevancy of what's being learned and how it's going to be to their benefit to actually learn it, as opposed to just having ChatGPT do it for them. So the more that you can give them time to reflect, time to understand, and to really maximize through relevancy will help that student and to make your assignment that much more resistant to being done completely with ChatGPT.